7-element Shaggy for the amateur band under test, but the specific frequency that was requested by our client is 143.950. So let's check the frequency response of the antenna. As we can see here, I'm using a Nano VNA. This is already calibrated and it is connected to the coaxial cable going to the feed point of the antenna. As we can see, the antenna is a gamma match. So I will put markings on the position of the tuning stub so that you just need to put back the tuning stub in between those marking tapes. So let's check the frequency response from the Nano VNA. So I'm measuring the antenna. Currently, we have the center frequency at 143.950 as we can see on the screen. The SWR on that point is 1.093 or 1.1:1. The impedance is 50.34 ohms and the antenna return loss, the log mag, is 26 dB, minus 26 dB. So the scanning frequency, let's check the bottom part of the antenna, is 138.950 as we can see here on top of the screen. With SWR of 1.4. Let's go back to 143.950. That's the center frequency, 1.1. Going to 144 at around 1.1 as well. Going to 1.5, 145 at 1.12, 146 at 1.1, 147 at 1.1, going to the end, 148.950 at 1.1 VSWR. So this antenna is going to Zamboanga City and I'm going to ship it today. Thank you for watching.